this land a gospel country. Let's make this land a gospel home. Let's make this land a gospel nation, filled with faith and hope and love. Let's heal this land through the power of the gospel. Let's heal this land through the sunshine of His love. Let's heal this land through the presence of the Spirit. Proclaim the name of Jesus Christ. Let this country cry for Jesus. Let this country seek His face in the splendor of His glory and the beauty of worship and praise. Let's heal this land through the power of the gospel. Let's heal this land through the sunshine of His love. Let's heal this land through the presence of the Spirit. Proclaim the name of Jesus Christ. Let's make this land a gospel country. Let's make this land a gospel home. Let's make this land a gospel nation, filled with faith and hope and love. Let's heal this land through the power of the gospel. Let's heal this land through the sunshine of His love. Let's heal this land through the presence of the Spirit. Proclaim the name of Jesus Christ. Biex Malta ssir art l-Evanġelju. Biex Malta ssir Vanġelu ħaj. Biex Malta ssir nazzjon għal Kristu. Ejjew naħdmu bil-lejl u bin-nar. Fejqan ġdid illi ġej mill-Evanġelju. Fejqan ġdid fix-xandir ta' din l-aħbar. Fejqan ġdid illi jagħti biss l-Ispirtu għal dan nitolbu bil-lejl u bin-nar. Dal-pajjiż lil Ġesu Kristu għandu jsejjaħ lejl u nar, u jfittex biss il-wiċċ biex fi Kristu insibu l-fejqan. Fejqan ġdid illi ġej mill-Evanġelju. Fejqan ġdid fix-xandir ta' din l-aħbar. Fejqan ġdid illi jagħti biss l-Ispirtu għal dan nitolbu bil-lejl u bin-nar. Let's make this land a gospel country. Let's make this land a gospel home. Let's make this land a gospel nation, filled with faith and hope and love. Let's heal this land through the power of the gospel. Let's heal this land through the sunshine of His love. Let's heal this land through the presence of the Spirit. Proclaim the name of Jesus Christ. Proclaim the name of Jesus Christ.